Hello viewers, today in this video we will unbox Poco F4 5G smartphone. This smartphone is powered by Snapdragon 870 processor. Snapdragon 870 is the most stable processor of 2021. This device comes with 10 bands of 5G network, so it will be future proof. This is the box of Poco F4 5G smartphone. As you can see, at the back the specifications are mentioned. This is 870 processor, 64 megapixel AI triple camera, 67 watt turbocharging facility. The smartphone box looks like this from the side, as you can see. Now, without wasting any time, let's unbox the device and let's see what else are there inside this Poco F4 5G smartphone. There is another seal. I have to peel it off. Let me peel it off. Okay. After opening the lid of this smartphone, you can see there is the Poco branding, and inside there is a yellow box, and inside this yellow box let's see what else is there. As you can see, inside this box there is TPU soft case, documentation, and a connector with 3.5 mm to Type-C port. As there is no 3.5 mm hole in the phone, so the company provides a connector so that you can use your headphones while playing games and have a good latency. The case looks very good, but it will get yellow in future, so let it put aside and see what else. This is the smartphone. As of now, I will keep the smartphone aside and let's see what else is there in the box. 67 watt power adapter, and this is the cable with Type A to Type C. Inside this there is a red accent. As you can see, the cable looks very solid. Let's keep it aside. Now come to the smartphone. Let's peel off the plastic wrapper so that you can have a good view of the smartphone. This is Poco F4 5G. This is a 128GB version. This is a nebula green color. The handset looks very premium in hand. At the bottom you can see Type-C port, speaker grill, and SIM tray. Towards the right there is power button and volume rocker. On the top you can find IR blaster, secondary speaker, and a secondary noise cancellation mic. At the back there are 3 cameras, 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel. Let's peel off this wrapper. The front and back is made of glass, and this is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And at the top you can see there is a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. Now let's boot the device. After initial setup, the handset is running on MIUI 13 and Android 12. Let's go to setting and find out. The display is very responsive. This is a 120Hz refresh rate display with a touch sampling rate of 360 Hz. So the display looks very good. It is an E4 AMOLED display from Samsung, so you will have great color and viewing angles. So let's go to settings and show you what version it is running on. This is a new type of animation implemented by Poco or Xiaomi. Now go to about phone. As you can see, already 21.7 GB is occupied by system and it is running on 13.0.1 MIUI version. And let's go to display. You can turn on night mode or you can turn on light mode. There are lots of options in the display. You can adjust refresh rate or you can set it custom 60 Hz or 120 Hz. So this is unboxing of Poco F4 5G. I will give a review in coming days. So like this video and subscribe to my channel.